All right, Excel Associate. Moving on to Lesson 2, Exercise 8. Learn to use the clear command. I'm going to go ahead and click Start. And it loads. Use each of the different clear commands to see how it affects the data. Select B2 to D2. And on the Home tab, click Clear, Clear All. B3 to D3. And on the Home tab, Clear, Clear Formats. B4 to D4, Clear, Clear Contents. B5 to D5, just delete. The Clear Contents command and the delete key accomplish the same result. So it's clearing what's in the text versus in 3, when we cleared the formatting, it cleared the underline, the blue, and the pink background. And Clear All cleared everything back to 0. So select B4 and B5. Clear, Clear Contents. Nope, Clear Comments. So here you can see that there's a comment up there. This is a comment. By comparing row 1 to the other rows, you can see how the different clearing actions affected the cell contents. Now re-enter different data into some of the cells. Enter the following values. Do not use the copy and paste functions. B2, we want the value 9876.543. B4, 9876.543. B5, we go to C2, March 1, 2019, C3, making sure I enter it the way they have it, C4, and C5. And then D2, we want label, no capital. D4 label, D5 label. Scroll down, see what comes next. In rows 2 and 3, the clear format removes all cell formats to revert them to the default. There you can see there's no formatting on those. In cell C3, the date format temporarily reverts to a numeric format until replaced with a new date value, which is displayed in the default Excel date format instead of the date format that was cleared away. So there was a different date format there, but that formatting was cleared with the date. Row 2, Excel deletes all of the original data, including formatting and the cell comment, whereas in row 3, Excel retains all the original data, even though the date value in cell 3 initially looked odd. In row 6, Excel deletes only the cell comments. So it still has all the formatting there. So then I'm going to go ahead and press Submit and finish. And that's a wrap on Lesson 2, Exercise 8. Learn to use the clear commands.